Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. Natgas continues to test our patience. It continues to move sideways and unfortunately not too many news here compared to or in addition to my last video. It continues to move in this triangle and I more and more think we could really be in this Elliott wave triangle, which I showed you in a previous video. At the moment I still have on the chart here the immediate sell-off scenario in which the move down that started on the 3rd of March was a wave 1 of a wave 5. The move up was a wave 2, which peaked here on the 18th of May in a 3-wave move. And we are coming down in a 3rd wave. But the problem is that this is not impulsive on the way down. So this could only be an ending diagonal if it unfolds like that in yellow here. Yeah, where we then have, if I zoom in a little bit, you can see it. In the 3rd wave, an AB, and this is now a C wave down with a 1, wave 2, and it should follow through quickly now in a 3rd wave, a 4th and a 5th. Then we should get a larger 4 and a larger 5 into the region between $1, $1.50. Whatever it's doing, it would be important to just go below the $1.95 level, which is the April low. Okay, now this is at the moment, my preferred count. But of course, Elliott wave gives us a level that, if broken, will make the chart and price morph into a different scenario. So I have here a breakout point to the upside of $2.69. That would be the first one. That would be the level where I would certainly be watching. But overall, it is actually the $3.02 level, this March high, which is the actual breakout point to the upside. Because if it is a wave 2, for example, here in yellow, this could just extend a little higher. Okay, it will only get invalidated above $3.02. But obviously, there is a short-term bullish setup as well, where this wave 4 is not finished yet. We talked about that as well, but that is at the moment my least preferred scenario. It's also not unlikely, yeah, but in my opinion, less likely than a triangle wave count or the direct sell-off, yeah, just because we haven't seen any impulse to the upside. And if this wave 4 was still in the making, then we would talk about an A wave to the upside in March, a B wave down as a flat pattern, and this would now be a C wave to the upside. But the C wave, I mean, there is nothing there that would give me a strong evidence that this is now a C wave. I mean, maybe here a 1-2 setup, but then this would be another 1-2 setup, and it would really need to start now in a 3rd wave rally. But this is not a 3rd wave material, you know, what we're currently seeing there. And from that point of view, I currently prefer downside, but don't make the mistake and just sort of think this has to play out. I mean, we're in a range, okay? And why are we in a range? Because the market hasn't made up its mind yet. There's a balance of forces, especially in a triangle, you see that. And ultimately, we need to wait for a breakout above 269 or below 195, okay? And that breakout point will give us an indication which scenario is winning. At the moment, we have a balance of forces, and the Elliott wave triangle count would suggest that this was an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and if we now make a lower high, then this could be the E wave and it would break down. Of course, a triangle can also break to the upside, and it should also do that quite quickly. But it needs to be that we need to see a break beyond these breakout points, because this is a balance of forces and only the market can show us which side is winning, right? And then based on that, we can put our preferred scenario on then, depending on in which direction we are breaking out. So if we break out to the downside, I think it is following the yellow wave count. If we break to the upside, we talk about a move to, in my opinion, at least 320, where the 4th wave isn't finished yet, and we're dealing here with a C wave to the upside. But also then I think there is still a decent chance that eventually we get another low afterwards. Yeah, So certainly not clearly bullish, not clearly bearish at the moment, just sideways, and has been going on for months. I know it's difficult, I know it's frustrating. It is, however, often what happens towards the end of such a correction, which has taken now a long time. It's where the sellers are getting weaker, but they are still there. The buyers aren't really strong enough, and that gives you this sort of balance of forces. So yeah, unfortunately, further patience required. Let's see if we get a bit of action this week. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.